Hey friends, good morning. Today we will see how to create Azure automation account in Azure. Okay. Uh, the first step is to create your Azure automation account before you create any Azure runbooks. Okay. So log into portal.azure.com. Okay. And on left hand side, click on all services. Scroll down for monitoring and management. Okay. And click on automation accounts. Okay. Click add. So this will take you to the add automation account web page. Here and give it a name for automation. So I'm going to give a trial automation account, free trial. You can create a resource group. So group is kind of a container where all your cloud resources resides. Okay. So you can think. So you can create a resource group. Give any name you want. I already have a resource group. So I'm going to use the existing resource group automation RG resource group, leave it as India. If you are from different location, then you can see the drop down different data centers available. You can choose whichever it is and click create. So this will create your Azure automation account. You need to wait for few seconds and you can see that the validation is successful. Still being created. And you can see your account created. So this is the dashboard of your account. Okay, you can see the job statistics, failed, suspended, completed, all those things running. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see your assets, that is uh, schedules, modules, credentials, connections. So these are the things which you use to create runbooks in your orchestrator. So these are called as assets or shared resources. Okay, schedules, modules, module galleries, credentials, connections. And here you can see the runbooks, jobs, runbook galleries, where you can see uh, uh, runbook shared by other people and Microsoft. Hybrid worker group. Here is where you configure your Azure automation with on-prem Azure hybrid server. Okay, so all these options are here. And this is called as DSC configuration, desire set configuration, all those things are there. We will see in detail in the coming videos. I hope this has been useful for you and thank you for watching.